Hey everyone, this is Virgo Sewing. Just wanted to show off the end result of my work with this RAYMOND #1 treadle machine. And I should mention that I'm located in lovely Guelph, Ontario, Canada, where RAYMOND machines were made. So it's really lovely that I get to have these machines and sew on them in the city that they were originally made. And for that reason, this particular machine is going to go today to the sewing center to be displayed at the front of their room. And they were really keen on having a lovely old RAYMOND machine, as they've got just an old Singer there now. There are a couple of lovely things about this machine which I think are absolutely incredible. First of all is the way that the top and bottom tensions work. So you see what look like tension discs here, but they are not what controls the tension. The tension is controlled by how tightly the thread is wrapped around this bar here. So, as of right now, you can see it's not wrapped around it at all, so we have no tension. If we were to wrap it around it like this, one turn, we'd have a little bit more tension. And now we have even more tension, and so on and so forth. I just think it's extremely efficient and very unique. I've never seen a tension on a sewing machine like that, and I think that's just absolutely wonderful. The other thing about this is the bobbin tension for the bobbin case. On all sewing machines I've seen, there's a little screw that you adjust to adjust your bobbin case tension, but with this machine, you can adjust it based only on how you thread it. So there's no screw adjusting required, which I think is really, really incredible. So I've got the machine threaded up, and I'm just going to sew a little bit and show you how it works. Beautiful stitches. Could use a bit more tension. Gorgeous. Loosen the tension, pull out the thread, beautiful stitching on an extremely, extremely old machine. Just wonderful. Other than that, this is my RAYMOND sewing machine that has been worked on and is sewing beautifully. Over here, we have the second RAYMOND #1, which I have acquired. And as you can see, the decals are in a little bit better shape, but the machine has been abused a little bit more than the other one. The machine is fully locked up. Nothing wants to move. Presser foot all locked up. I haven't gotten around to unseizing it yet, but other than that, the finish on this seems almost fully intact. The old shellac or whatever they used. So that is really interesting. So I think once I get this machine all worked on, it will turn out better. And it has the beaver emblem, and it has RAYMOND across the base.
Okay. It's run by volunteers.
And here we have the RAYMOND at the sewing center in Guelph.
If you like, that's all we have left of all that fabric.